Hello everyone, welcome back to Lacey and Sky, and today we are at Manchester Airport. We're staying in Birmingham for a night, and tomorrow we're going on our flight. I'm having breakfast and we are going to Florida. And we're staying at the Grove, and we're staying at Disney for 14 days. And
well, we're not staying at Disney, are we? Not this time.
We're staying at the Grove, but we're going to Disney like for the 14 days. Our holiday has just begun and I'm so excited.
My favourite part is maybe spending time and going on a ride.
Spending time doing what?
In Florida.
I thought you meant with your
that's
family.
Yeah, oh, and our mum and granddad and our nanny's coming with us, so stay tuned for that. So, we'll see you in the morning on the way. So we're at the airport now, and we've just gone through security. We've done the bag checks where it gets sent off to the aeroplane, and now we're just getting some breakfast because we've been awake since 5 and we haven't had breakfast. And
5? Oh yeah.
What time is it now?
It's 9. No, 8.
8. So that's like
A long time.
3 hours, and I've been awake 3 hours and I had breakfast, so I'm very hungry. So yes, we're going to go on the airplane soon, and yeah,
we're going to have some pancakes. I'm on the flight.
yes,
So I had an email.
we're going to have some pancakes.
Skyla, are you excited?
Got breakfast first.
Breakfast first, and then we've got 10 hours on the plane.
You said 9.
10 hours.
You said 9 earlier.
I know, but it's 10. Right, we're just going to see if we can get a table at Archie's. There's another restaurant here, I think it's called San Carlo, but the options were quite sort of high end. The kids want pancakes and breakfast burgers and that kind of thing. Here's Archie's. So burgers, waffles, breakfast sandwiches. Yes, this is our kind of place. That is not breakfast.
That's dessert.
What is it?
It is strawberry and chocolate waffles with ice cream and whipped cream.
And we've got bacon and waffles. Oh, they look nice. They're bacon pancakes. Yummy. And I've got a breakfast burger. Skylar, is yours nice? Yeah? You've got some ice and sugar now?
Okay, so we just had our breakfast and it was delicious at Archie's, and it was so nice. I had waffles and strawberries and chocolate, and it was amazing.
It was definitely worth the wait, wasn't
it?
And it wasn't much wait, it was like 5 minutes.
No, and we are about ready to get on the plane, and yeah, so we'll see you on the plane. Mommy, do you have to touch the plane?
Yeah.
You want to sit? So I've got to deal with this one.
Hello.
You ready?
Yeah.
Skylar, are you ready?
Yeah. What was Nanny ready?
I'm ready.
What was that?
Closing doors. Okay, so we have just set off, haven't we? Yeah, it's a bit annoying having masks on all the time, but whatever you're drinking, you can take them off, can't you? So you can make that last 9 hours?
I'll try. Wait, is it one drink for the whole trip?
No. We'll catch up halfway through, won't we? You're watching Boss Baby at the minute?
Yes, it's funny.
Yeah, okay. We'll see how we're going halfway.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, so we are halfway there now. It's been really fun on the plane. I've watched like 3 movies
through. So Anne is the captain.
Hello.
John is the FO.
I'm gonna.
Why don't you go sit in that seat?
Yes,
Have a look. Go sit in
We're
there.
getting to have a
Don't
look
press
in the
any buttons.
cockpit. This is very exciting.
Mind you,
If you're the rest of the passengers there.
don't sit in that one.
Oh yeah.
Go on,
Waiting the
Lucy.
queue out there, isn't it?
I'm alright.
Yeah, go and sit in there, please.
Come in.
Go on.
We're fine, like a computer game.
Do you mind if I film? Is that alright?
That's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
There's nothing secret in here, trust me.
Wow.
Andy, which one's John?
Yeah.
John and
This is Andy.
And John, hello. Oh wow, look at this. Look how tiny
These
the
are the ones
windows
that, if
are.
you press those, push those out, this is how we make it go. Look, press those, that's what makes it take off.
Oh my
And you see on the
god.
left there, the big controller.
That little stick there, look.
Yeah, so if you pull that back
hold
and
of it.
forwards,
There you go.
that's how we turn it.
Oh my goodness, it's like a
And
computer
if you look up here,
game.
look, we've got all these buttons, all these lights, look.
Wow.
There's a lot of buttons.
There's a lot of
I was
buttons.
going to say how small the windows are, but obviously you don't
If you
really...
sit there, you'll see actually, they're not as small as
Oh, okay. Yeah.
is enough.
And obviously the visors because the sun...
Yeah, yeah.
Are they the pedals like you would have in a car?
They're brakes.
Oh, brakes.
They're on the ground.
Yeah.
So they rock that way.
Yeah.
The tops is the brakes, and if you move them like that, it moves the rudder at the back.
Yeah.
Not in flight, but on landing it does, and on takeoff and landing it does, but not really in flight. They get locked.
This is, you know, when you sit in here,
Yeah.
you can't imagine that you've got all of that.
It's quite nice.
This is like a little car.
When you look out the window,
Let me
you see
back
the
up.
very end of the wingtip. It's a long way back.
Well away from all the riffraff in the back.
You're looking tired. Are you tired?
She's tired.
Oh, no.
And she's had a mask on for about 14 hours
Well,
now,
you've done
so
really, really well.
she's her ears are hurting.
No. So are you in Orlando, are you?
Keep it on, baby.
You're
Yeah.
going to go and see the mouse?
Yeah.
We're going to see the
Brilliant.
mouse. We've not been for 2 years, and we're
that's
feeling
lovely
it, aren't we?
And it'll be all Christmassy. Well, when you get out the airport, you'll be able to take it off. That'll be nice, won't it?
Yes. Well, what do you say, girls?
Thank you.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you so
It's a
much.
pleasure.
It's been a
Nice to see
privilege.
you. Not
Come
at
on
all.
then, girls.
Have a lovely
Well,
time,
have a
won't you?
nice rest now.
So how long you 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Oh, I can't even turn around.
It might be you.
Oh, hopefully.
That's it.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you for that.
Bye.
Cheers.
Have a great time, guys.
Thank you, and you.
To test what you can do is basically from the moment that you leave.
Yeah.
Sorry, the moment that you arrive up until day
First
2.
class seat in here. Girls, how good is
Where's
that?
the suitcases?
Daddy's got them. Oh my gosh, it is so hot.
So, we've been through check-in and we've come off the airplane and they've just sent us to the Disney shuttle and I'm so excited. I ain't seen it for ages and it always gets me so excited because I know I'm in Disney.
Oh my god, we're on a roller coaster already. I'm scared. I feel like I'm going to fly out the top. Yeah, I'm just making sure that's fast. Yeah.
Monorail.
Please hold on to the handrail. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building.
Wait, that's it?
When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim.
Just get to the main
Empty
building.
one. Oh, no wonder you have a toe.
Oh my god.
We're here, we don't have to worry anymore. It's literally relief when you come into this part. So we've just got our car and we're really excited because we're going to the airport. We're going to the hotel and I'm so excited. I just kind of want to like sleep at the minute, I'm so tired.
Girls, we're turning in.
Oh dear, someone's had a bit of a...
Bit of a bang. Look, we're here.
This looks nice. Oh, palm trees.
This is the hotel now.
This looks so fancy.
No, we're driving down there now.
That will be.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
See that fountain?
Oh, the palm trees.
Palm Tree Road. Look at this, it looks nice.
So where do we check in? Guest reception check in. Brilliant, thank you.
What's the name? Darlene.
Where do we go? To the lobby?
Check, go to the left, lobby. Oh, they've got Christmas decorations here.
Yeah, but you can't just park it, can you? Registration parking.
Yeah. So we're at the Grove Resort now. It looks absolutely lovely. They've got Christmas decorations, so I can't wait to see those lit up for tonight. Let's go and have a look what the lobby looks like.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Grove Hotel, and today we're in a room called 3 bed and 3 bathroom, and it is amazing. So first we have the kitchen, which has a dishwasher, obviously, like definitely need one of those. A sink that does this, which I really like. We've got some like coffee stuff. Oven, a microwave, which obviously needs to cook. A massive fridge that I could fit myself in. Look at that.
You get warm.
Fridge.
Huge.
Yeah, so if you get too hot, just stick yourself in there. What do you do? And then you've got freezer, which is massive as well. Also, onto the kitchen, it has like this weird boiler room that you'll never see me in because it's got like
Washer.
these things, I don't know what they're called.
Washer, tumble dryer, iron and ironing board. Is that safe?
Whatever.
Fuse box.
I'm not touching that. Bin,
Shut the door.
obviously. Okay, moving on to the living room, and it's just beautiful. We have this coffee table, which has like these
Some
chairs.
extra seating.
We've got a massive sofa that also pulls out to a bed, so that's cool. We've got some drawers, and we've also got a massive telly, so yeah. And we've got table and chairs for eating. Next, this is the master bedroom. So we've got a massive bed that I'm going to be sleeping on, obviously.
No.
Definitely. And then they've got their own TV. They've got their own little seating area.
How cool is
All
that?
that. Just like relax while we're in bed.
Have your drink in the morning.
Also,
Look at this.
it's onto a balcony that has a beautiful view, which this balcony does also open to the living room.
So this one's got a view, a resort view, and that's any sort of courtyards or fountains or greenery, you said.
Yeah, and look, it's all Christmassy.
Amazing, isn't it?
What else?
Oh, and it's screened,
So no buggies.
so no bugs can get in, which
there's
I love.
Oh, also in the main bedroom we have the biggest bathroom I've ever seen, like in my life. So drawers, ooh, that's mine. Mommy, what are these? Like coasters? Okay. Sinks, 2 sinks.
His and her sinks.
Then you've got a bath, which is massive. It looks like a boat. Massive.
And it's got some natural light there, which is nice.
And look at that! Ow! But look at that!
That is nice.
I know.
And what's in the store?
What is it? A toilet.
Why is that
I
exciting?
don't know. I just never.
And again, a window. You don't normally get windows in like bathrooms and toilets in hotels.
So you've got a toilet roll, toilet, actually it's one. And so if someone's having a shower while you're at the toilet, it's locked because normally it's just like toilet and shower. And stuff.
Yeah.
All our suitcases, mirror.
Loads of places to put your clothes.
Yeah. Then we've also got a place where our grandparents are staying. So this is a bathroom.
So this is like the family bathroom, isn't it?
Yeah, so you got. God, that's pretty low.
It's a shallow sided. It's called the family bathroom.
Oh, okay, so you got.
Shallow sided.
Shallow sided. Okay. Toilet, sink as usual, because otherwise it wouldn't be a bathroom. Then you have got another room.
Bedroom 2.
Which has
Another window.
with blinds and some chest of drawers. Nothing in them. You've got a massive bed, which obviously is really nice. TV.
Another TV.
There's like 5 TVs in this room.
There's 3.
Oh, and also this leads on to that room. So a massive
Oh wow.
suitcase thing.
Really big area, like a dressing area.
I know. Some drawers and one sink this time. Toilet and a shadow bath.
Why have I still got my mask on?
Why do you have your mask on?
I don't know.
I took it off as soon as I got in the room. I'm like, no. Put it off.
I'm so used to having it on. It's been on 14 hours.
Yeah, I know.
More.
Ever since we like woke up. And yeah, that
What about this room?
Oh yes. Have you looked at this?
So this is bedroom 3.
Which has got a big bed.
Let's put the light on. Oh.
Which has got...
Wait. Is that the only light that's
Yes,
in here?
just leave it.
What's that then?
You've just got to pull that.
Alright, okay.
So you've got bedroom 3 with a big bed, drawers, lamp, and something that's in here. I don't actually know.
Oh, cupboard
Oh,
space.
it's like storage.
Wardrobe.
basically.
So it's nice that all your suitcases get to go
Away. So you
Away.
can't see them.
And-
Suitcases look ugly.
another
Amazing view.
view of.
Look at that. I mean, you can't beat that.
Palm trees.
Lots of palm trees.
Where does this lamp turn on? Oh, nice.
Mirror, chest drawers, TV, blah blah blah. You know what? And then a door, obviously. We need doors.
So that's
And yeah,
it.
so that's our room tour, and it's a big room, so it took forever.
And it's beautiful.
Yes.
So modern and clean.
It was the best hotel I've ever stayed at, and it's my favourite.
What about Disney?
So we're at home now. I'm sorry we couldn't film the end of the video because we was too tired.
It was just because we'd come from the flight and was awake for like 23 hours without sleep. Join us for the next few weeks of Disney vlogs to see what we get up to. So, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!